Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, March 2 to 4, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have now the warm easterlies affecting the eastern sections of the Philippine Islands, and some of these winds will penetrate across Calabarzon, Metro Manila, MiMaRoPa, Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, West Visayas, and the coastal waters at these areas will be slight to moderate, to at times rough and dangerous small sea crafts. And there will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms expected within this wind system. Elsewhere, we don't have any developing low pressure areas or tropical cyclone within the next 24 to 48 hours. And we have here a near equatorial trough which we are watching for possible development into a low pressure system. Here's the latest fast animation from the University of Wisconsin CAMSS tropical cyclone page. Here's the potential surface trough that we are keeping an eye for possible development into a low pressure system. And for the zoom in satellite animation, as the evening progresses, we are observing some isolated thunderstorms across portions of eastern Visayas, central Visayas as well, including Bohol and Cebu, and areas of Caraga and northern Mindanao, while elsewhere we'll have some good weather with some cloudy conditions. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days by tomorrow afternoon, the easterlies will continue to prevail across the eastern sections into the central sections of the Visayas. And on Friday afternoon, it will still remain the same wind system until Saturday, and we are here observing a dent on the wind propagation. So this might be the surface trough becoming a shallow low pressure area. We're going to observe that in the coming days. And if we take a look now at our rain forecast for the next 3 days until Saturday, by tomorrow afternoon, we are expecting some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across the Visayas and Mindanao and some sections of eastern Philippines due to the easterly surface wind flow. By Friday afternoon, same weather conditions will be expected. Some showers and thunderstorms will prevail across eastern Visayas into central Visayas and across the eastern sections of Mindanao, and moving into Bukidnon and northern portions of Mindanao, as well as the Davao region. So this is brought to you by the easterly surface wind flow, as well as the southern sections of Palawan. And on Saturday afternoon, here comes the possible surface trough becoming a shallow LPA, and we are looking at lots of rains and thunderstorms that is expected this coming weekend, particularly on Saturday. It may affect Mindanao and the portions of the Visayas. Bicol region will also have some cloudy conditions with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. And here's the total rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Saturday. The rainfall is concentrated over the eastern sections of the Visayas and northeastern Mindanao and northern Caraga, becoming more widespread and intense over the eastern sections of Samar and eastern Leyte. And so far, that's the latest from the rainfall accumulation forecast. Now let's move now to the global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. So valid for the next 2 weeks. For week 1, valid March 2 to 8, we expect above average rainfall across central and southern Philippines. That includes the Bicol region, MiMaRoPa, Visayas, and Mindanao because of the easterlies. And since we are still on the La Nina situation, but slowly but surely the La Nina is starting to wane down. down to 80% as of this time. And for next week, week 2, March 9 to 15, above average rainfall will continue to prevail across the same areas of the Philippine Islands from Bicol region, MiMaRoPa, Visayas, down to Mindanao. So there you go. That's the latest for this Wednesday, and we will return on Friday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.